Are you just so tired of your laptop holding your creativity hostage? You know the feeling. Your timeline stutters and drops frames. A simple export takes an eternity, and you live with that constant fear of a crash right as you're about to hit save. Been there, and it's maddening. So in this video, we're cutting through the spec sheets and marketing hype, put the top contenders through their paces to bring you the 5 best laptops that will make your 4K editing feel smooth, fast, and maybe even fun again. Let's do this. To find the absolute best laptops for video editing, we focused on what actually matters when you're in the creative zone. Real-world performance, skaterobi, a screen you can trust, and overall value. We're not just listing specs. We're looking for the machines that let you stack effects on a 4K timeline, render out your final project in minutes instead of hours, and see your colors perfectly. It's all about spending less time waiting and more time creating. We'll be counting down from 5 to 1, and our number 1 pick is what we believe is the best all-around choice for most creators out there. You'll want to stick around for that. Kicking things off at number 5 is our top budget-friendly pick, the ASUS TUF Gaming A16 Advantage Edition. For creators who need real performance but don't have a bottomless wallet, this is a fantastic starting point. It's built around an all-AMD combo with a capable Ryzen processor and a discrete Radeon graphics card, giving you enough horsepower for smooth 1080p and even some 4K editing. Now, while some models come with a basic screen, if you can find the QHD Plus option, you'll get a display with solid DCI P3 coverage that's suitable for color work, though maybe not for high-end professional grading. It's a little on the bulky side, but the performance you get for the price is tough to argue with. Next up, at number 4, we have a powerhouse in a tiny package, the HP Omen Transcend 14. This machine, in our opinion, absolutely nails the sweet spot between price, portability, and power. It packs a new Intel Core Ultra processor and can be configured with up to an NVIDIA RTX 4070. Though keep in mind the top-tier GPU might not be available in all regions. All that power is crammed into a super slim and portable design. The real star of the show is that gorgeous 2.8K OLED display. Makes your footage look absolutely stunning and delivers incredible color coverage, so what you see is what you get. For a student, a vlogger, or a YouTube creator on the move, the Omen Transcend 14 is a brilliant choice. Sliding into our number 3 spot is what we consider the top Windows option for serious creators, the ASUS ProArt P16. This laptop means business. It ditches the flashy gamer look for a clean, professional design, and is built from the ground up for creative work. ASUS offers different models in the ProArt line. You can find variants with a high-end Intel Core i9 or, as seen in recent versions, a powerful AMD Ryzen AI CPU, both paired with NVIDIA's 40 series graphics. The main attraction here is the stunning 4K OLED display. These panels come from the factory with excellent calibration, making them a fantastic canvas for professional color grading, though pros will still want to perform their own hardware calibration for mission-critical accuracy. This is a workhorse designed for creators who demand serious performance and color fidelity. All right, we're about to hit our top 2 picks, and trust me, these are the undisputed champions of the editing world. If you're finding this video helpful, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It makes a huge difference. And I'm curious, what laptop are you currently fighting with? I mean, editing on? Drop a comment below and let's chat. And the runner-up spot at number 2 is the king of screen real estate, the Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch. For creators who need the biggest, most beautiful canvas and top-tier performance within the Mac ecosystem, this is it. You can configure it with the monstrously powerful M5 Pro or M5 Max chips, which handle demanding 4K and even many 8K workflows incredibly well. Of course, for the most intense multi-stream 8K epics, you might still use proxies, but for most projects, it's a beast. The 16-inch Liquid Retina XDR display is simply one of the best screens ever put on a laptop, period. And its thermal management is legendary. The machine stays remarkably quiet under most loads, though the fans will kick in on those marathon render sessions. It's It's a significant investment, but if your work demands that level of power and screen size, it's a phenomenal tool. And finally, at number 1, our pick for the best all-around video editing laptop for most people is the Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch. This machine takes all the incredible DNA of the 16-inch model, the power, the display technology, the ports, and packs it into a much more compact and portable form factor. It's powered by the same M5 family of chips, offering more than enough muscle for everyone from aspiring YouTubers to seasoned professionals. You get that same jaw-dropping Liquid Retina XDR display technology and an identical port selection, just in a smaller body. While it doesn't have the same battery endurance as its bigger brother, it still leads the class in many tests. It strikes the perfect balance of performance, portability, and display quality, allowing you to edit anywhere without compromise. For most creators, this is the one. So that's the list. Our top 5 video editing laptops for every kind of creator. To quickly recap, the ASUS TUF A16 is your budget hero. The HP Omen Transcend 14 is the perfect portable mid-ranger, and the ASUS ProArt P16 is a beast of a Windows machine. Then, for the Apple fans, the MacBook Pro 16-inch offers the ultimate power and screen size, while the 14-inch model gives you the best overall balance for getting work done anywhere. All the laptops we talked about are linked down in the description. If you want more no-nonsense guides like this one, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching. Now go make something amazing.